Hi, Debbie Denke here. I'm a professional pianist and educator. I am wanting to share with you how I recovered from carpal tunnel and tendonitis twice. So I hope that sharing these handy tips to prevent or at least recover from sore hand injuries are going to be helpful to you. Although I am not a medical expert, I do have firsthand knowledge of what has helped me cope with painful hand syndromes so that I could continue to be a professional pianist and not resort to surgery. If surgery is the only option for you, by all means you can go through that. For me, I didn't need to resort to that yet. And I also want to say that not every person is going to be dealing with hand injuries, but the repetitive motion of playing an instrument like the piano or a guitar could cause that telltale tingling of the wrists that are followed by numbness and then perhaps the next day sharp pains. Let's hope you don't get this. 3 things that I found to be most important are proper body alignment with your instrument, warming up, taking the time to do that, and being aware of your everyday movements. So the first essential tip I'm going to share is about using correct body alignment, whether you are at your piano, electric piano, or another type of keyboard, a computer device, texting, iPad, whatever. You must feel centered, whatever that means for you. And I find that it is of utmost importance that my bench is elevated high enough so that the blood from my arm, elbow, forearm down to my wrist is either on a level stream or going slightly downhill. I found I've gotten in big trouble by trying to play on too short a bench and trying to play a keyboard that was up on casters rolled into a gig, or also trying to play in the days where we had stacked keyboards, 3 keyboards stacked on top of each other, and singing on a fixed vocal mic, had me raising one hand like this. When the blood flows upstream, it gives extra tension in the wrists and hands. So a few things you can do to fix this problem. If you are mainly at home, make sure that your chair is the right height. Put pillows on it if you need to. And if you are traveling to a performance somewhere, you can get a adjustable music bench that you can keep in the back of your car just in case they give you a low chair, and to make yourself comfortable at the gig. One last thing about body alignment, make sure, besides being the right height, that when you're playing the piano or typing something, you aren't twisting your head off to the side or lying in bed texting your phone, holding it above your heart, or sitting on the couch turning and grading papers. It may feel more comfortable temporarily, but it could do you in a few days with hand problems. So lots of things to think about there. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have lots of educational and entertaining videos. I talk about arranging tips for jazz and church music. And I would like to see you at my next video where I'm going to talk about how to warm up effectively at the keyboard to prevent hand injuries from happening. I'll see you there.